Swine Prime production is based on optimized practices to increase the productivity and profitability of your farm. Pig farms present significant hygiene challenges, where an invisible threat, bacteria, can lead to increased medication usage and mortality. Limiting the bacteria presence on the surfaces of your farm is essential, which is why choosing the right cleaning and disinfection programs is vitally important. Pig farms also present an underestimated risk: biofilm in water lines, causing reduced water quality, increased risk of osmotic diarrhea, and with hard water and unwanted mineral buildup. The bacteria that form biofilm can also carry genes resistant to antibiotics. Visual cleanliness doesn't reliably indicate the absence of biofilm. It can grow back in 72 hours, and preventing it requires continuous water disinfection. For improved productivity and profitability on your farm, CID Lines, an Ecolab company, invites you to join its Swine Prime program. Swine Prime addresses barn and water hygiene to ensure that surfaces and drinking water systems are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected. The result is more sustainable and more efficient animal production. Swine Prime has achieved noticeable success in the challenging area of maternity and nursery facilities. Here, biosecurity protocols are essential for enhancing the health of both sows and piglets. With Swine Prime, the results are clear. Mortality reduced by 16% and 14% in the maternity and nursery periods, while medication use is reduced by 4.7 times in maternity periods and 1.5 times in nursery periods. Swine Prime helps prevent disease, reduce the use of antimicrobial medication, lower mortality rates, and improve performance. Discover the benefits of Swine Prime for your farm.